This advanced SDK training course you're about to take is designed to further enhance and progress your knowledge of the StreamSets Software Developer Kit, the SDK. In this course, we take a potential practical problem and solve it using a combination of a front-end portal, with the back-end consisting of a Python SDK script, which automatically creates your pipeline and job. The course consists firstly of a lab to help get started with the creation of an environment, a deployment, and a data collector. Once these are set up using the setup script that's provided, the course then takes you into another script, a Create Pipeline Python SDK script, whereby you're required to complete the coding for several stages. The requirement is to create StreamSets stages, and so the course includes a lab to create a stream selector stage, another lab to create an origin, and finally a lab to create a destination. These remaining labs take you through the development of these tasks. The development of the code for these tasks would normally be done through the PyCharm utility. We can also obviously do testing through the PyCharm utility. When we click on the green Run button, we can see the output in the console window, and we can track progress through the log file. To track progress through the log file, we can see how to do this in the troubleshooting guide, which we'll see later. We can also do testing in the portal, where we choose origin and destination, and any filters. Then click the transfer button. Again, we can monitor the progress of running it through the portal by checking on the log file. We can run the back-end Python SDK script from a command line by copying and pasting the command given in the portal. While attempting to create the code for each of these tasks, you will be required to investigate the names of properties and the values that these properties can take related to a specific stage. There is a guide to help you work out what the names of these properties are and the values these properties can take. There's also a guide for troubleshooting. For example, if your data collector is not running, this can make your script hang. In this case, you can check the log and check the data collector is running. Thanks for watching.